Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can paint in Orcaslicer. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to actually import my model. Now let's go ahead and navigate through my desktop, and in here I'm going to select my model. Right after, to actually paint on the model itself, you want to click on it first, and you could add multiple filaments if you want to. So if you want to add additional colors, you could just click on the plus icon right here. Click on the color icon that will allow us to simply use another colors. So in this one, I'm going to use yellow. I have black, gray, and red. So right after, once again, click on the model itself. You want to look for the color painting option, which is, I believe, going to be this one. You could also press N on your keyboard as a shortcut. Obviously, right after, you have to select the filament that you want to apply, or basically the colors. You also have tool types right here. So if you want to use the fill tool, you could do that. You have triangle and many more. So in my case, I'm just going to apply them manually using my pen tool or the brush tool. In here, let's go ahead and select our brush, or on the part where we want to apply our paint. So in my case, it's going to be this one. I also want to apply it right here. And then let's apply another one on the middle or on the eyeball itself. Right after, let's go ahead and apply some black onto our model itself. And basically from there, you have learned yourself on how you can paint manually on Orcaslicer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.